Today I will show you how to deploy a Python project on Hugging Face. So let's get started. Basically, I have created a chatbot project with LangChain. LangChain is a Python framework that is used to create LLM project. So I have created a basic chatbot with Google Gemini API key. So let's see how we do this. Let's see the project first. I have created in VS Code. So let's open VS Code. This is the project, guys. And let's open the Python file. Okay, let's activate this environment. Dot chatbot script activate. Okay, let's run the file app.py. Okay, so this is the project, guys. This is the chatbot, and this is the basic question answering chatbot. It's working fine. Let's ask something more. Let's Okay, let's ask about the current Prime Minister of India. Okay, guys, internally these chatbot using Google Gemini API key and Google Pro model. So it is answering. It is based on the Gemini. This answer based on the Gemini API key. So it's working fine. It's answering correctly all the questions. Yeah, it's answering good. This is a basic project. We are not going into the project. We are just to see the deployment process on Hugging Face. So yeah, it's working fine. So we can deploy this project. So let's see the requirements. I have created this project. This is very simple project. Then I make the Flask application. I have uploaded the requirements like API key and LangChain module. So yeah, I have also created HTML file and Docker file to deploy for deployment. This is the requirement.txt, and this is the HTML file for front end. I have also added CSS and JavaScript in this HTML in a single file. So this is the HTML file, guys. You can also use ChatGPT to write these HTML. And this is the Docker file. I have mentioned all the details like requirement.txt and Flask in this Docker file. We need this Docker file to deploy project. So let's open Hugging Face. Let's open this, and this is my portfolio on Hugging Face. So this is my profile. You need to log in or sign up when you first use Hugging Face. So I have already logged in. So let's create the space. You need to go on space for deployment. So just click on space, create a new space, and let's name our space. Space is just basically a space or or a requirement that we need to deploy our model. So let's click on Docker because we are uploading Python Flask project. So let's create on free CPU and public. So all the detail will remain same. We can also upload a Streamlit project here. So yeah, it is showing the requirement for this project. We need to also upload Docker file, and we can also do this with Git commands, but we will manually upload our project files. So let's go into the files and then click on add files, upload files. Here you can drag or upload files. So let me upload the files. Okay, I think I need to drag the folder here. Okay, let me drag and drop the folder templates. So okay, just drag and drop here. Okay, are all the requirements, all the files have uploaded. So let's name these files flask files. Now it's okay. So let's see one more time. Yeah, it's okay. So we have uploaded all the files. Now just let's see. Okay, let's click on app, and then you can see that our deployment is started. It's importing all our libraries or installing. So it's showing application status. Now it is showing that our deployment is done. Okay, so yeah, our app is deployed. This is the interface. Let's check this app one more time. Okay, it's working completely, it's working fine. And when you copy this URL, then you can easily see your website from anywhere. Yeah, it's working fine, and we successfully deployed our project on Hugging Face. So this is a very simple task we can do. So let's see the requirement.txt once again. This is a docker file is very important to deploy project on Hugging Face. Here you need to mention here you need to mention your Python version, and you need to mention requirement.txt details. And and in the, if you are uploading Flask project, then you need to mention your Flask in cmd. You can also copy this from Hugging Face website. So but you need to make sure that you are uploading Docker file also. So this is the project, and these are some files. So this is the project, guys. As you can see, we can easily deploy the project, our project, on Hugging Face. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.